Hello everyone! I would like to introduce you to a group of wonderful people. I have some super friends. Each has a superpower that helps others. Let me introduce you. There's Captain Carla, Empress of Caring. Here comes Captain Kevin and his shields of kindness. It's Captain Paul, helping with patience, and Princess Ella with energy. Here comes Captain Ramon with responsibility, and Super Scarlett with her strength. Who can forget about Super Jasmine with the joy and Captain Cooper in cooperation? Finally, it's Princess Frida helping with fear, and Captain Wayne helping with a willingness to learn. My super duper friends are ready to help make this world a better place.